So first, let's put BB cream on. Yeah, we don't have to put too much. Just a little bit here. Oh, what about the nose? Now the brush. Okay.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? And when the star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see you alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? You won't
Just blush the BB cream, the blush on our face. Now let's put lipstick. Let's put our lip liner on our lips. Lipstick on. Yeah, much better. This lipstick smells like peach. So cool. After a few moments later, we immediately put our lipstick on. Next, let's put. Next, put blush on. Much better. Highlighter brush. Much better. Now my mascara. Now let's put my mascara.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? And when the star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see you alive. Where are you now?
I'll comb my hairs here. Then I'll show you guys my final look later. After many days, I made a makeup tutorial. And my mood wasn't like doing makeup. So today my mood was about makeup. So I decided to make a tutorial vlog. So this is my final look. And spin like a butterfly. This is my soft makeup look for girls. And how is my makeup and how is my dress right now in the moment. And also I hope you have a good day today. I like this dress because it's a butterfly style and it's soft and too pretty. Look, butterfly, butterfly. How are you, butterfly? Butterfly, butterfly. How are you, butterfly? Butterfly. My mom made noodles for me. I'm so hungry. I want to eat them. I'm on my videos. You must do it urgently and share this video. I'm going outside because I have holidays. My holidays are good. How are your holidays? Let's go. I'm making nuggets. Let's go make nuggets. 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 Alright, how to do this? Nuggets. And wait for a while. They're ready.
A few moments later.
Wow. The nuggets are ready. Yummy. Yummy. Ah, they're so... Look at that. Yummy, yummy nuggets. Ah, look at that. I want to eat the ball. I want to eat one. Star! Look at that star. Hot, hot, hot. My feet. They're burning. They are struggling because of the hot. And walking.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? And all the stars, you fade away. Afraid I ain't miss out of sight. Wanna see you.
Two hours later.
Did you feel us? And all the stars, you fade away. Afraid I ain't miss out of sight. Wanna see you alive. Without you now. Without you now. Without you now. Was it all in my fantasy? Without you now. You know we're Without you now.
who's so